You might wonder how you stack up against others in the Twitter community, or who the top Twitterers are. There are many websites that rank or grade Twitter users based on criteria that they tend to keep secret. In this video, we'll explore 3 of them. The first one is Twitterholic. Twitterholic ranks Twitter users by followers, people they follow, updates, and date joined. You can get the rank by each of these categories just by clicking one of these links. By default, it shows by followers. And you can see all of this information right on the Twitterholic homepage. So if I scroll down here, you'll see some screen names of mostly famous people, CNN breaking news, and Twitter, of course, and then some famous people and other things. And they have lots and lots of followers. If you click by friends, it'll sort them by friends, the people who have the most friends, and then updates and how long ago they joined. As of the day that we're taping this, it's been up and running for 1,074 days. So these are the folks that joined up on the very first day. If you're not one of the top 100, you can calculate your rank by entering your Twitter ID in the field and clicking Go. So let's give this a try. I'll try this from my own account because our sample account really doesn't have any activity on it. So I'm going to put in my name here, click Go. And what it's showing here, some information about me. That's my overall rank, 36,000th and change there by followers. Number 1 in Wickenburg, Arizona. And then it provides information about my followers in a graph here, and then the different dates on a monthly basis, my different stats. And then at the bottom there, it's got people that are similar to me. I don't really know how they know they're similar to me, but in any case, they're all right here. So that's Twitterholic. TwitterGrader is another ranking tool with another algorithm. And what you do here is you enter your Twitter name in the box and click Get Graded. So let's give that a try here. We're going to click in there. And again, I'll use my own account and click Get Grade. Now this might take a few moments. And it's telling me that my rank in this case is 26,000 and change. Don't know why it's different. My number of followers and how many people I'm following and my updates. And this here is my grade. I'm a 98.1 out of 100, which is kind of cool. But it shows you how it's a different method of grading. Another feature of this one, in addition to having my profile information, is there's a tweet cloud from some of my most recent tweets. You can also enter somebody's name in this box to see if they're following you. If there are suggested people to follow, they would appear down here. So that's TwitterGrader. I should mention here that you can also point to this to display a menu, and you can see what they're calling the Twitter Elite. So you can see the top users. What's interesting to me is that it's completely different people than the other service, which is kind of interesting. And the last one I want to cover is called TwitterRank. And the way that this one works is, again, you just type in your user ID and you get your Twitter rank. It really doesn't need to have your password. It'll do it without your password. They say it's more accurate if you put your password in, but if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. I'm just going to click Get Twitter Rank. And it's calculating that my rank is 97.26. I'm 86.98 percentile. That means that I am higher, I guess, than 86% of Twitter users. So that's kind of good. And this confidence thing, that's because they don't have all my password information and all that. So it's not really as much confidence as if they did. You can learn more about that by clicking this here, and it would provide some additional information. This one also has a top 50, and you can click that. And this is a list of the top 50 highest scoring Twitter users. And again, that has to do with the algorithm which they use, which is different from the other ones. Obviously, there's different people listed here. So these are only 3 of the tools that are out there to help you determine where you rank in the Twitter community and to help you find the top Twitterers. But does any of this really matter? I say no. Use Twitter the way you want to and don't worry about your rank. Just have a good time.